What's going on, guys? It's the last day of the year for 2020. I decided to get out a little bit and try to find the old Vicksburg city dump. So it's pretty trashy in here. There's trash everywhere. You see washed out spot, mill drainage. There's a few surface finds. We got a whiskey flask, cork top, nothing on it. Got some jars, little something, probably a grape ad, or let's see what we got. Armors, okay, Armors from Chicago. Flask, oh, here's a bottle. Green Slick, nothing on it but a dot. That'll be pretty in a window with the sun coming through, so we'll probably take that one. It's an old broken insulator. But some neat stuff. We're gonna look around and be back. Oh, here's a top to a whiskey. There we go. Too bad there's no label on it, but we'll be back shortly. Just pulled this one out of the ground. It's a real thick green glass with VE on the bottom. If any of y'all know what VE could have been, let me know in the comments. Just pulled this one out. It says St. Jacobs, Jakobs, OEL, the Charles A. Vogler Company, Baltimore, Maryland, USA, but the bottom's off of it. That's pretty neat. Haven't seen that one before. Y'all stay tuned. First Coke bottle of the day. It's an ACL from Cuero, Texas. Old return for deposit bottle. Well, not that old, but maybe we'll find some more. Y'all stay tuned. I can see an old wine bottle down there and some whiskey jug shards. Looks like there may be a straight side bottle right down there. Looks like maybe, I don't know if somebody's been digging or if it's just a washout. I know I can see a Barks bottle right down there. So we're gonna get down there and see what we can find. There's your old Worcestershire bottle. Worcestershire, Lean Parents, however you pronounce it. Pretty neat. All right, here's that straight side we can see from the hilltop. Let's see what it is. And it is a Coca-Cola Beadenhorn script from Vicksburg, Mississippi. That will make an excellent drinking glass. That's a good find. Y'all stay tuned. There's a couple bottles underneath this timber right here, so let's see what they are. Just an old slick. Oh, knee-high. Where are you from? Come on, be from Vicksburg. Well, doesn't look like it's old ACL. It was probably from Vicksburg. We'll clean it up and see if we can see a faint sign from where it was, but patented March 3rd, 1925. It's a good one. We'll see you when we find another one. There's something right up in here. It looks like a jar. So we'll reach in here and get it. Oh, it's an old beer. Some decorative pottery. There's a real pretty piece of spongeware. I have to carry that one out. That's pretty nice. There's a couple old slick meds. What is this? V. That is going to be Vicksburg. Minimum content 6.5 fluid ounces. Made by Root. Not sure what that one's gonna say, but good sign. Lord of mercy, y'all. Right on the surface. It's a tall version of the Bead and Harm Candy Company. Vicksburg, Mississippi. I don't know if you call them the High Arch or the Cathedral bottle stars and the panes, but Star Bottling Works, Shreveport, Louisiana, and then Vicksburg, Mississippi on the bottom. That is a good find. That'll make a really nice drinking glass. Well, it's got a little damage right here and there. It'll look pretty on the shelf anyways. Y'all stay tuned. Right on the surface, another one, tall variant, and then the top to one. It's a good spot, guys. Picked this up, think it was gonna be a slick, but that's actually a Pluto soda water. Got Pluto on the bottom of it. And that is pretty good drinking glass candid, I believe. Well, good deal. Well, guys, it's a lot of trash, but it's definitely worth coming back and dig some test holes to see if we can find some bottles. What I didn't tell y'all is I haven't been in this spot in about 10 or 12 years. The last time I was here, I found an Alabama and Vicksburg railroad lock, brass heart-shaped lock. And talking with collectors, they don't really exist hardly. So they believe that I have the only one known, which is pretty cool. But there's a collector who I found online, and he was missing the image, but it was listed. So I contacted him, and he was happy to get that image. But we'll come back one day in this new year 2021 and see if we can find some more goodies for y'all. In Mississippi, we're known as a welcome state. Hey y'all, how you doing? How's your mom and them? So this is how we fix potholes. We lay out the carpet for you. It's not the red carpet, but we lay out the carpet. What's going on, guys? So I'm checking out this old railroad bridge. See if there's any possible bottles around or whiskey jugs or anything, just to see if it's worth my time. Right off the bat, show what we got. Whiskey jug shard. Cork top. Little amber jar. There's some old stuff mixed with this new trash. But we're gonna keep on looking and see what we can find. So y'all stay tuned. There's a piece of an old Barks. We got another broken insulator like I did yesterday. Patented May 2nd, 1893. Too bad it's broke. It's a pretty color. There's another insulator. Let's see if we can pull it out. Oh, that one is still attached to some telegraph line. Look at that. Telephone line. Huh. Got some bad damage on that side. But let's see if we can clean it up just a little bit. Made in USA. You can tell what type it is though. That's a good find. Y'all stay tuned. Almost didn't catch this. It's called a devil's walking stick. You wouldn't want to be poked by them barbs. They will get you. Y'all, you could really come out here with some record equipment, make you a CD of sounds of the interstate. Maybe it'll help you sleep at night. But as far as trying to find a place in Vicksburg to look for bottles, metal detect, or relic hunt, you gotta have permission for the most part. And is there really one best place in Vicksburg to look for stuff? There's several good places, but really anywhere you look in Vicksburg is so historic is a good spot. So there's a medicine with the neck broke off. Let's see what we got. Dr. Price's Delicious Flavoring Extracts. Looks like it's got the Owens, Illinois on the bottom of it, and a 15. Good sign there's some stuff in here. I picked up this because it looked like a bullet casing at first, but what it is, it's a little graphite stick. And I found a lot of these privy digging and digging on some older home sites, but what it is an old pencil that they would use. So that's pretty neat. I'm gonna stick that in my pocket and carry on out. But I see a pretty insulator, pretty color, buried in the ground over here. Let's see what we got. Made in the USA, Hemingway. They're still out there. Something you come across occasionally is identification. So we just found a Mississippi driver's license that expired in 2008. So see if we can't get this back to the person that lost it. But about to head to another creek where I found some stuff, maybe some Civil War items. I didn't bring my metal detector, just really wanted to just hunt the area, kind of scout it out. But we'll be back with y'all when we get to that area. Here's another little winding creek we're going to take a look at and see if we can find some stuff. We're right near some Indian mounds, so there's potential that there could be some arrowheads and other Indian artifacts all up in here. So y'all stay tuned and we'll see if we can find some old Indian artifacts and maybe some bottles. Well guys, there's no bottles or Indian artifacts that we found in the creek. So hopefully we can find another spot here soon and find some more good stuff. So appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe to the Bottling Works, and we'll see you guys on the next hunt.